Here let's make handlebar for a screw, clamp screw. See this outer diameter 12, inside 8, and first we will extrude 5 millimeter, then 80 millimeter, then 5 millimeter, chamfer 2 millimeter 45, 12 millimeter, extrude 5 millimeter. Okay, now let's select back side, sketch. Now here 8 millimeter, extrude, and this one keep end condition blind, and the length 80 millimeter long. Now I'll use this first sketch, extrude, end condition 5 millimeter blind. Here I'll choose surface offset. I'll choose this. See, now it's going to extrude from here, but it's moving inside. Reverse. Click direction 1, change. See, it's time to define chamfer. Angle 2 millimeter 45 degree. I'll choose both the end. Now let's define material. I'll go to iron, cast iron, handlebar.